everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys another strange and unique item that's in Japan. It's clear Coca-Cola. I was a little surprised to see this, but after having just shared with you guys the clear coffee drink, I guess that's part of the craze for this summer. Anything and everything is clear, and that somehow makes it better. To be fair, I suppose a lot of things have a lot of extra food coloring and things added to them to make them be certain colors. So that, makes sense to kind of take things out. But stuff like coffee beans, which are supposed to be brown, and then syrup that's used for Coca-Cola flavoring is usually of a brown color too. So it's a little confusing to me how they make things clear. But I don't know the whole science behind it, but this is the bottle here. Wow, it got way too bright there. Sorry about that, you guys. Now, the other cool thing about this is that it's got no calories, so which, sometimes just means that it's loaded up with so many other bad sugars. It's actually not that great for you, but we will try it anyway. We're not huge soda drinkers, but occasionally we like to have one, so I thought we could give this a try and see. It looks definitely refreshing, so who knows? I don't know if it's really true Coca-Cola flavor or not. Let's give it a try. Well, when I smell it, it doesn't have the same smell that a regular Coke does. It smells like a Coke, but kind of like very diluted, so. Okay, I guess it kind of tastes like Coke. It tastes like, Coke Zero with that sort of sweet flavor to it, I suppose. It's similar. I'd have to have the real thing next to me to really compare it to know which one is, if they're the same or not. I personally just normally drink regular Coke, not the, 0 calorie kind, because I like the original flavor better when I do drink it. So I don't really know if this is good or not. It tastes like a Coke kind of product though, and has good bubbles and stuff like that. And I suppose if you were wanting to create a beverage and have something cool, like funny little things floating in little cool ice cubes or something like that, having this could be really fun for that. So in the summer when people are having parties and stuff, I could see it being kind of like a cute thing to have around, but it's sort of strange. I'm used to seeing my clear sodas and thinking more of Sprite and stuff like that, and refreshing or drink like a 7-Up or something. So, but that's something that's kind of fun that's here. Now probably will only be around for this year only, because every year, every season, there's some new gimmicky item that's out. So, this is the thing for this year. So I'll have some more fun things like this to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.